Go on. Go on. I don't have anything for you, and you're scaring me. So go on. Go on. Okay, let's just walk. He's a young buck. I don't know what he thinks I've got to offer him, but it ain't nothing. Come on, buddy, go. When the forest deer want to be your friend, but you don't want to be theirs. Go on. Oh my God. I hate when they do this. And he's on the trail that I'm going to have to cross over in a minute. I don't want to turn around because I'm almost there. He's young. Thinks I've got food or something. Damn it. I'll keep this film rolling in case he goes after me. Never had that happen, but I mean, he's young. I think he just doesn't know what he's doing. All right, I'm going to have to cross right in front of him in a minute. I'm hoping he goes. Yeah, he's on my trail. Yep, he's right there on the trail I need to cross on. All right, here we go. Shit. Get. Okay, buddy, please go. Just go on. Go on. Go on. Go on, dear. Go on. Just go on. Thank you.